Drum set is a collection of drums and other percussion instruments set up to be played by a single player, the first recognizable ancestors of the modern drum kit. Born in the vaudeville era. Very cool. Doesn't actually. Maybe. You hear that? I'm just joking. Got very percussion-y. I do not play the drums, so I got no rhythm. The stool is right here. Very cool model for any instrument playing rhythm-based musician. You got a drum pedal too, by the way. Very nice drum set. Mine's a little lopsided apparently. I guess it's just kind of loose. Very cool model, by the way. At the seat of the drums, playing their instruments. Boom. Take a nice personal look at your setup, your audience, the audience are trees that are not looking splendid.